Welcome back, explorers! Today in Subtraction Valley, the R Squad is learning a brand new way to subtract by using a number line. Before we meet the R Squad in the Subtraction Valley, here's what we're learning today, using a number line to subtract, starting at a number, jumping back to take away, and finding the answer. A number line helps us see subtraction step by step. We just move back and count carefully. This is a number line. Each number is in order. When we subtract, we start at a number and jump back. Let's solve 7 minus 3. Start at 7. Take 3 backward hops. We landed on 4. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. Let's do another one. Let's solve 5 minus 2. Start at 5. Jump back 2. So 5 take away 2 equals 3. Let's sing a number line subtraction song.
Start at the number, jump back slow. Count each step, now you know.
Start at the number, jump back slow. Count each step, now you know.
Hey, this song tells my feet what to do. Your turn, explorers. Challenge 1. What's 6 minus 2? Start at 6. Jump back 2. Where do you land? Correct, 4. So, 6 minus 2 equals 4. Challenge 2. What's 8 minus 5? Start at 8. Jump back 5. Where do you land? Correct, 3. So, 8 minus 5 equals 3. Challenge 3. What's 6 minus 3? Start at 6. Jump back 3. Where do you land? Correct, 3. So, 6 minus 3 equals 3. Let's review what we learned today. You used a number line to subtract. You started at a number. You jumped back to subtract. And you found the answer. Great job! For using number lines to subtract, you earned the Numberline Navigator badge. Great exploring, mathematicians. Next time, we'll subtract bigger numbers and use more jumps. See you in Lesson 11. Bye, explorers!